This is the AUOON Clip-On Strainer that was sent to me by the seller for evaluation and is available to you on Amazon. I want to tell you a little bit about it, give you some general information and a brief overview, as well as my first impressions and what I like about it. Maybe you'll like it as well. It's a neat little addition to any kitchen. It works very simple. It's got a couple of clips here that go on a pot. And then you've got the strainer part that goes on the base of the pot so that the contents stay in there as the water's coming out. And the way that it works, it's really very simple. You just put the clasps onto the pot and you're ready to go. And what I also like about it is that it can be used for multiple sizes of pots and pans, just like that. Or just like this. And even this. And what it does is it cuts down on the amount of lost food that gets dumped into the sink by mistake, because nobody likes to pick food out of the sink. You don't pick food out of your sink, do you? Guilty, maybe once or twice. So this is something that would be great for yourself, and it would also be great as a gift idea. If you're looking for a way to cut down on lost food that gets dumped into your sink, or to make cooking easier, I highly recommend that you give this a look. It works for us in my kitchen. Maybe it'll work for you as well.